Okay guys, this is my cabin and will be my home for a couple of months dito sa barko. Ito yung aking bed and ito naman yung aking working area. And of course, itong cabin ko ito is equipped with own toilet and bath. May mga locker ako, sariling locker. I have own telephone units sa cabin, may internet, and nag-alaga ako ng halaman dito. I have a chili and I wish bago ako umuwi malaki na to and namunga na.